Imagine a place where engineering isn't about memorizing formulas or chasing grades. A place where every classroom, every project, and every challenge is designed to teach you what the world actually needs. Where skills come before certificates and ideas turn into real solutions from day one. That's Intellipaat School of Technology, where engineering is alive, bold, and built for impact. Welcome to Intellipaat School of Technology at AMET University, Chennai, which is set within a campus designed for focus and freedom. Students benefit from open spaces, cutting-edge infrastructure, and a distraction-free environment that lets ideas take shape. This isn't just a place for classes, it's where learning meets purpose and progress. While most engineering programs emphasize on theory, IST delivers hands-on learning from day one. Students build AI systems, data pipelines, cloud platforms, and real-world software projects under the guidance of IIT faculty, senior industry professionals, and mentors who know exactly what the industry expects. Learning goes beyond classrooms with state-of-the-art labs, advanced workshops, simulation-driven training, and project spaces, giving students early exposure to technologies shaping the world today. Campus life supports growth beyond academics. Modern hostels, hygienic cafeterias, student lounges, international standard sports and fitness facilities, swimming pools, healthcare support, and a 24/7 security create a safe, balanced environment for learning and collaboration. At IST, career readiness starts immediately. Continuous mentoring, interview preparation, real-world problem solving, and access to 3,100 plus hiring partners ensure students are ready for the industry, not just exams. Today, Intellipaat alumni work across 20,000 plus companies worldwide. IST students don't just graduate as freshers, they graduate as industry-ready engineers who can contribute from day one. This isn't engineering taught for marks, this is engineering built for the future. Learn with purpose, build with confidence, become future ready.